Good morning, student. Today I am teaching death of a partner. I have also explained in previous video about partner is entitled to the following items. First, amount of capital, share in accumulated profits and losses, revaluation of asset and liability, share of goodwill, share of profit earned or loss shared from beginning of the year till the date of death, etc. Now you have to see some practical question based on death of a partner. This is my lecture number 41. So let us see the question. Question is, Birad, Bisad and Roma were partners in a firm sharing profit in the ratio of 5:3:2 respectively. Their balance sheet was as under: capital of Birad, Bisad and Roma, reserve fund and creditors are given in liability side. In asset side, building, machinery, patents, stock, debtor and cash are given. Now question says, Birad died on 1st October 2019. It was agreed between his executors and the remaining partners that a point goodwill of the firm be valued at 2.5 years purchase of average profit for the last 3 years. The average profits were 1,50,000. B point interest on capital be provided at 10% per annum. C profit for the year 2019-20 be taken as having accrued at the same rate as that of the previous year, which was 1,50,000. Prepare Birad's capital account to be presented to his executors as on October 1st, 2019. This is Birad's capital account. DR side and CR side, particular rupees. First, I have to transfer his capital in his account. Birad capital is given 3 lakh. So I will write by balance BD 3 lakh. Now second thing is given reserve fund 60,000. So it will also given in credit side reserve fund. Share of reserve fund will be 5/10 into 60,000. so it will be 30,000. Now question says Virat died on 1st October 2019. Goodwill of the firm be valued at 2.5-year purchase of average profit for the last 3 years, and average profit is given 1,50,000. So goodwill of the firm will be goodwill of the firm will be 2.5 year into 1,50,000, and it will be 3,75,000. Now Virat's share of goodwill, therefore Virat's share of goodwill equal to 3,75,000 into 5/10. It will be 1,87,500, and it will also given by two other partner in 3:2 ratio, because gaining ratio will be same as old ratio of Bisad and Roma. Now I will put in credit side Bisad capital account for share of goodwill. It will be 1,12,500. Again by Roma's capital account, share of goodwill, it will be 75,000. Now next point is related to interest on capital. We provided 10% per annum. So I will calculate interest on capital. Interest on capital will be 3 lakh into rate is given 10%, and time will be from 1st April to 1st October 2019. So total time will be 6 months. So 10/100 into 6/12, it will be 15,000. Now I will also put interest on capital 15,000 in credit side. Now last thing is given profit for the year 1920 be taken as having accrued at the same rate as that of the previous year, which was 1,50,000. So Bisad share of profit will be 1,50,000 into 5/10 into 6/12, and it will be 37,500. So I will also transfer PL suspense account 37,500. Now nothing is given in question. I have put all the thing related to Birad capital. So let balance it. Total of Birad capital will be 5,70,000, and in debit side also 5,70,000. And now it will transfer into Birad executor account 5,70,000. Now see some other problem, but you may take a screenshot of solution and prepare solve in notebook. You may take the screenshot of question also. It is the time for a screenshot. Now I am going to solve some other practical question. Now see the question. Ramesh, Naresh and Suresh were partners in a firm sharing profit in the ratio of 2:1. On October 31st December 2019, their balance sheet was as follows. In liability side, creditor, bill payable, general reserve and capitals are given. Bank. In asset side, bank, stock, debtors, land and building, and profit and loss account given. Now question says Naresh died on 31st March 2020. The partnership deed provided for the following on the death of a partner. First, profit sharing ratio. Second, goodwill of the firm was to be valued at 2-year purchase of the average of last 5 years. The profit for the years ending 31st December 2015, 2018, 17, 16 and 15 were 50,000, 80,000, 2,20,000 given respectively. Naresh's share of profit or loss till the date of death was to be calculated on the basis of the profit or loss for the year ending 31st December 2019. You are required to calculate the following: goodwill of the firm and Naresh's share of goodwill at the time of his death. Naresh's share in the period of Naresh's share in the profit or loss of the firm till the date of his death. Prepare Naresh's capital account at the time of his death to be presented to his executors. Now we have to prepare format of Naresh capital, and first I will transfer by balance BD as their capital is given 3 lakh, and general reserve is also given 30,000. So general reserve, Naresh share will be 2/5 in general reserve, so it will be 12,000. Now next thing is given profit and loss account in balance sheet 1,60,000, so it will also transfer into debit side to PL account. 2/5 of 1,60,000 will be 64,000. So I will put 64,000 in debit side. It is a loss for partner given in asset side. Now question says Naresh died on 31st March 2020 and balance sheet is given on 31st December 2019. So it will be 3 months, time will be 3 months, and we have to calculate profit sharing ratio, goodwill, etc. So first I will calculate goodwill of the firm. Goodwill of the firm. For this I have to calculate average profit. First I will calculate average profit. So of 5 years, this is given 50,000, 80,000, 1,10,000 and 2,20,000 up to 31st March 18, 31st December 18, and this means 15 to 18, 4 years profit is given here, and 1 year loss is also given in balance sheet. So it will also consider as 5th year profit and loss, and it will treated as loss. So I will add for calculation of average profit both all the 4 years profit. It will be 2,20,000 plus 1,10,000, 3,30,000 plus 50,000, it will be 3,80,000, and plus 80,000 it will be 4,60,000, and I will deduct 1,60,000 from total profit because it is loss. So it will remain 3 lakh, means 4,60,000 minus 1,60,000, so it will remain 3 lakh. And when I will divide by 5, it will be average profit 60,000. When I will divide 3 lakh by 5, it will be 60,000. So goodwill of the firm value 2 year purchase of average of last 5 year profit. So I have calculated 60,000 as average profit, and number of year purchase is given 2 years, so it will be 1,20,000. Now I have to calculate Naresh share of goodwill. Naresh share of goodwill. So 1,20,000 into 2 by 5, it will be 48,000, and 48,000 will be given by two other partner, Ramesh and Sudesh, in the ratio of 2:1. So Ramesh capital account will be 32,000 and Sudesh capital account will be 16,000. Now Naresh share of profit and loss till the date of his death was to be calculated on the basis of the profit and loss for the year ending 31st December 2019, and it is given in asset side 1,60,000. This is loss for business, so I will calculate Naresh share of loss. In this case, Naresh share of loss will be 1,60,000 into 2 by 5 into time is 3 by 12, and it will be 16,000. Now I have to put in credit side, debit side, PL suspense account 16,000 for the period till death. Now nothing is left in the question, so let balance it. Total of credit side will be 3,60,000 and total of debit side also I will write 3,60,000, and balance amount will transfer into Naresh executor account. Naresh executor's account, it will be 2,80,000. 2,80,000. This is the solution of question. You may take a screenshot of question. And now this is answer of this question for you. You may also take the screenshot and prepare and solve in notebook. So now I will meet you with some practical problem in next video. It will be video lecture number 42. Thank you very much.